State asida mahoushagi Tangdu Leitaba Phivam Puraktriba Human Rights ka mari Leinabasing Authority amattana Ningthina Paikhatpa Ngamloi haina Manipur Human Rights Commission ki Chairperson Justice UB Saha na phongdorakli Wafam ngasi Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC ki Chairperson Justice UB Saha na Kangpokpi District ta hangba relief camp ani ki inmate singa unaruraba matung pangthokpa paugi mifam amada mahakna phongdokhibane Palace Compound Leba MHRC के ऑफिस चा पांगथोपा पाउगी मिफम अदुदा Justice UB Saha hai Manipur की इरांग असिना मरम ओइरगा कांगपोकपी की मांडप अमसोंग ITI building दा हांगबा relief camp सिंह के फिवम यंगसन के लोइनना हाई रिवर relief camp सिंह असिदा चंगजाफम लौरिबा inmate सिंह गसु उनदुना मखोई की अपेन पेंदा कयागी मरमदा वारी सानरखे Yangsen Kongchet asigi maru oiba pandam de relief camp sing asida leiriba sing mioiba amana tangai fadana changba potlam sing ningthina phangalibra haibadu yengbane maru oina acha athag sanitation health amadi mahiroi sing ge right to education matik chana phanglibra haibadu ngasigi Kongchet aduna yangsen ke inmate sing na phongdorakpagi matung inna mioiba amagi phangpham thokpa sing ado makoisu matik chana phangi haire adubo makoi loinamak masa masagi maramdamda mahousagum leiningbagi apambade leihawe paugi mifam aduda Justice UB Saha na makatana hai miyam gi apamba political gi oiba demand kya leiramba yai adubo MHRC gi oinadi human rights asina khwaidagi maru oi aikoi gi pandam su human rights mapung fana ngak sen badune masi pumnamak thabakta onthoke hairabadi mahousagi Tangdu Leitaba Phivam da hanjil hanba haibase yamnamak mathau tai haiba wafam kaya inmate singda thamlamke Mahaki Kongchet aduga mari leinana Kangpokpi amasung Saparmena Police Station da so mangjongna paupi batawdana yengsilam ke maduda Police Station animaki oina case kaya pending da leiramba thengna ke thawung ase miyamgi phangpham thopa rights matpani haina lawe hiramasida Manipur Police ke DGP na akanba mikeng changdna miyamgi phangpham thokpa achumba wayal phanghanaba honagadabane Miyamgi phangpham thokpa right sing ningthina phangnaba Manipur Police ke DGP Police Station singi OC amate Department khudingma ke makoktongba officer sing na mathau ningthina pangthofam thoi hainasu Justice UB Saha na makatana phongdokhe paugi mifam aduga mari leinana Manipur Human Rights Commission na puthokpa ani suba newsletter so release tokhe
Unless the peace come in the state, human rights of a citizen cannot be protected in a proper way as they require. I appeal to all the inmates and who meet with me that try to start a dialogue between the two communities so that what happen, a new beginning can be there and the state of Manipur can develop itself and the human rights of the citizen can be protected by us. Positive response was there. We want to make an appeal to the people of Manipur that for protection of their human rights, particularly right to get justice, right to life, right to shelter, right to health, right to education, and right relating to various government schemes. Peace is the paramount consideration. Unless peace is there, no authority can properly function, including the Human Rights Commission.